Today we're going to be talking about this Outre 5x5 closure human hair blend. So y'all know it's probably definitely got the synthetic fibers in it, but this is what she's looking like right now. She's a closure unit. I think I already said that. And this is the strap in the back. I'm guessing, you know, she's probably intended for like the glueless looks and stuff. This is the lace in the front. I know she look a little messed. I gotta part her a little bit. She looking a little crazy, but y'all know I'm gonna get her together. This is the lace, all the lace that came with it. I'm not sure if it's HD or not. I think it said it was. I'm gonna have to look. But this is the lace. It's the 5x5 closure. That's what they claim. Yeah, this is the inside of the cap. So you can do parting spaces. You can still do a side part with it. You can do a updo. Well, I don't know if you can do a up. No, you can do an updo. I seen it on the little picture on the stock card. Yeah, so you can do like a middle part, side part. You still can do different styles with it and make it versatile. And I have her in the number 2, and right now I'm just about to pop her on my head and go ahead and install her. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to install her with glue or hairspray right now. I'ma see. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I should wear her glueless for y'all or like put her with glue. I mean, I don't really know, but I'm gonna get to it and y'all gonna find out what I do. This is what the wig's looking like now. She's definitely gonna have to be flattened out because she's definitely looking bulky. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this lace melt spray Carrington. I guess it's a certain oil, and I honestly should have just went to the beauty supply. Like, y'all, this bottle is like to right here, and I ordered this and this is how it came from Elevate Styles. Like, I'm just annoyed. Like, really, y'all? This how y'all feel y'all bottles, or is it used? Like, let me use it on camera and see. And I bet you it hasn't been used. You know what? Maybe it's used because it didn't like give it. Did they send me a used bottle? Because this is like Elevate Styles. I'm gonna have to leave y'all. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Gigi Perfectface here, and today I'm going to be talking about this Outre 5x5 lace closure wig, and she claims to be a human hair blend. She's definitely has human hair blend. I guess they mean it's a mixture of synthetic. That's usually what that means. So I'm gonna say it has synthetic fibers in it. It was still priced like in the 40s price range, so I would say this definitely has synthetic and human hair blend. But then again, it says 100% human hair blend, and they price is really cheap for it to have human hair. So I don't know, but as far as the installing process, I wasn't really getting no tangling besides when I got glue stuck in my wig hair. And that was really the only time I had a little tangling issue, so that's kind of my fault. The tea on my experience of installing the wig, I went ahead and did some edges. I wasn't going to do this type of edge. I don't know why I keep ended up doing this style of edge, but I like how they look. They look really baby hair like. They don't look too thick or thin for me personally, in my preference. This is the stock card. This is what it's giving. This is the model. This is what she looks like in the different styles she has. I mean, I wish I had the energy to go in and do all of the different styles for you guys. But yeah, this is the lace. This is what it claims to look like. It's definitely true. It's a 5x5 closure. That's what the inside looked like. I showed you guys earlier. This is the model. You know, she did a little updo on one. She did the middle part, bust down, and then she went ahead and did the side part. I wish I had the energy to do all of that for y'all, but y'all, I just be struggling. And also, she's Yaki straight, 26 inches. I do love number 2 on me now. Like, number 2 dark brown has really grown on me. It doesn't look too harsh like jet black can look sometimes. I feel like number 2 is like my perfect natural hair color. I just love how it's looking. Like, it's just giving, it's just everything is correlating really well right now for me personally. Yeah. This is the little cute stock card. So guys, this is the inside of the card. It claims to have just the right amount of HD lace for parting versatility and styling ease. Choose to go glueless with this unit. It claims to have 100% human hair blend. And they priced it really low, like in the 40s. So I'm not sure if it has, like, I guess, because usually they kind of up the price with the human wigs. Or maybe I'm getting it mixed up with another brand. I don't know. But I do love the 5x5 closure look right now. It was ironic because I was just saying I wanted a closure wig and I was about to buy one, but they came out with this one. It has parting space for you guys to do the parting, different partings. Then you can do like the updo, like what this has on it, like what she has on it. As you can part it left, right, or the center part. I decided to go for a center part. I really wish I had the energies to go and flatter on this wig, but y'all, I just really did not feel it. It says that it has pre-plucked hairline with baby hair, and this wig didn't really need a lot of plucking at all, or like any plucking. Well, I plucked it a little bit, but she didn't really need to be extremely plucked or anything like that. The pre-attached lace band, it definitely came with that. And yeah, that's all the claims on this wig. Now I'm just about to get into the feel of it. It definitely feels like it has a good quality or decent quality type of human hair in it. So I'm definitely loving the movement of this hair. It doesn't get me stiff. I do love that it's Yaki. It just looks so natural. I love the color. This in the number 2. It's just really a natural color, but I just still love how this is flowing, the movement of the hair. So I do feel like they use a good quality human hair blend in it, because I love the movement. It looks so realistic. It doesn't look cheap at all. Like, y'all, this is giving me you know, Amazon, a decent Amazon company hair type of look to me personally. As far as the install, it was okay. I went ahead and did some glue. I just really wanted to glue it down. I was going to wear it glueless for you guys, but I just decided to glue it down. And yeah, Yaki straight 26 inches is what it claims to be. And let me get up and show you guys a 360 of the wig and show you guys what it looks like all around and the back of the wig. Now, I'm not sure about the back of the wig. Now I'm just about to show you guys the hair in the back of the wig and show you guys what it's looking like. So like a 360 of the wig. This is the side of the wig. This is what she's giving on the side profile. This is the back of the wig. I'm not exactly sure about it. I'm not feeling any tracks or anything. I'm not sure how thick or thin it looks or whatever, but I'm just showing you guys, giving you guys an all around look of the wig, just to give you guys a feel for what the whole thing looks like all around. And I think this is like my right side, and this is what the wig is looking like on this side profile, the density of it. This is the wig with me standing up on my height. I think I'm like around 5'6". I love this wig. Y'all have to get this in. No, I'll take that back. I'll come back to that. But I do love the layered, the little like layered look of this wig. This is what the wig looks like in the back. With me standing up. I showed you guys with me sitting down, but now I'm just about to show you guys what it looks like with me standing up. So yeah, about my thoughts on the density of this wig. I do wish it was a tad bit fuller in the back of the wig, just a tad bit, like maybe like more tracks added, because I do notice a slight gap. But other than that, as far as the colors, I was going to come back and get into that. These are the different colors it comes in. Ginger brown. Y'all, I don't think I would ever get that ginger brown again. I think I had something like that, or was it like a cinnamon? I don't know. I'm just not really. Maybe I'm getting it mixed up with another color. I think it was like, it comes in a DR2, dark chocolate, where I started to get that wig, but I decided to go for the number 2, what I'm having on right now. And it has number 2, golden amber. You guys see it, the honey blonde, the usual colors that they always do. And I'm honestly really ready for them to make a change with the wig colors, because I really would have loved to see this wig in a different color. Like, it's the same old color. And I know for a fact I'm not going to like the golden amber like that and the golden honey blonde. I just maybe, I don't know, y'all. I just want them to do some more different colors. And of course they had the red velvet, what they always do, the signature outre colors or whatever. But yeah, did I mention she's Yaki? I do love, y'all, I love this wig. Okay, I'm just about to go ahead and get into the ratings. This has to be one of my favorite Synthetica wigs that I had. Well, as far as today, I'm not sure if that's to change in, you know, 2 days from now, knowing me, but I'm really feeling this wig. I think it's cute. I'm feeling it. I just wish she was a tad bit, just like 2 more tracks in the back, because I'm noticing that little gap and I don't like it. And yeah, I love how simple. She's just really cute. Just nothing spectacular. I do love that they tried to do like closures, because I never really see them do that. I will rate this wig, I think I'm going to go with a B+. Just because I just wish they had this in a better color variety. Like, I'm over this. I just know for a fact I'm not going to like these colors like that. I know I would like it in the red velvet, but I already have so many, like, I feel like I have enough red velvet wigs. I just want them to try some more colors. Like, bring some fun to the table or something. As far as the shedding or any shedding, I wasn't really experiencing a lot of shedding. I really don't remember, except for when I cut a track. Y'all know the little plastic that these be hanging off the wig. I kind of cut some of the hair off by mistake, but it still wasn't really shedding like that. So as far as the shedding, you don't have to worry about this wig shedding, like, as you're installing the wig. I did pluck it just a tad bit. I don't really like plucking. I feel like the price of the wig was really good for it to be a human hair blend, 100%. It's definitely giving what they said it would on the stock card and all the claims of it. So yeah, y'all, that basically concludes this review on Outre. She doesn't have a name. Well, she does have a name, but 5x5 closure wig. I definitely would go back and try out the, I was going to get the curly wig, but I just decided to go for this because it's the longest. It's a 26 inch. I do like the length on me. Yeah, I would definitely buy this wig again. I do just wish they had these in like new colors. Like, I'm tired of this golden. Even though I never tried it, I'm just tired of it. I just know I'm not going to like that, y'all. Like, I'm not even about to waste my time trying to be different, trying stuff for y'all just to wear it one time for the video. But I do love this number 2, and I do love this wig. I would get this wig again. I really would. I do love this wig. This has to be one of my best wigs reviews that I've done, as far as the look of the wig, the feel of it, the pros of it. Not too many cons at all. Like, y'all, get her. I would say get her for the price point. If you want to like closure look, if you want to wear like a glueless, you know, because some of y'all already be wearing y'all T-part wigs glueless anyway, so I feel like y'all would love this wig. And I'll see y'all in my next review. It was nice talking to you guys and giving you the tea on the newly released Outre wig or whatever. And I'll see y'all in my next review.